Good morning, dear students. Today we will study comprehension. See, what is comprehension? Comprehension means paragraph, passage. See, passage. Passage means any paragraph you will be given, and you have to answer the paragraph. You have to answer the question on that paragraph. So, let us read the paragraph and understand it. Oliver was a 9-year-old boy. There is a 9-year-old boy whose name is Oliver. He lived with other homeless boys in an orphanage. See, what is orphanage? Orphanage is a place where homeless children live. Homeless means who do not have their home, who do not have parents. They live in an orphanage, and those children are called orphan. He was pale and thin, as were the other boys living there. All the children living there was pale. Pale means yellow in color. Their faces are yellow in color, and thin. They are thin also. As were the other boys. All the boys were very thin and pale. This was because they had to work hard. Why they are pale and thin? Because they have to work hard, but were never given enough to eat. They were not given food, proper food to eat there. Children, you have home, you have parents, your mother give you food, proper food to eat, but those children who live in orphanage do not have enough to eat, do not be given enough to eat, so they will become very thin and pale. The owner of orphanage, Mr. Bumble. Owner means uh, whose orphanage was that, जिसका ऑर्फनेज होता है वो ओनर होता है. सो द ओनर ऑफ द ऑर्फनेज इज मिस्टर बम्बल. द नेम ऑफ द ओनर इज मिस्टर बम्बल. वॉज अ क्रूअल मैन. ही वॉज हार्टलेस एंड क्रूअल, and he ill treated the boys. He does not treat the boys properly and do not give them proper food to eat. The boys were always hungry. They always feel hungry, and they always want more food to eat, but owner of the orphanage does not give food to eat. It was true that they were given 3 meals a day, but each meal consisted only of a bowl of watery soup. What they were given to eat only a bowl of watery soup. Soup was given to eat, which is watery. They were almost starving. Starving means भूखे रहते थे हमेशा, भूख के मारे तड़पते रहते थे. So it was decided by them to ask the master for more soup. So they decided that they will ask more soup. But who would bell the cat? कौन बोलेगा? Who will bell the cat? Finally the task fell to Oliver. Whom this task be given? This task be given to Oliver, that he will say to master that they should be given more soup to eat. When all the boys had assembled in the cold stone hall for their evening meal, when they were went for evening meal, and they assembled means इकट्ठा होना, together, to stand together. The soup was served. The same watery soup was served, and in small quantity. So it soon disappeared. Soup was very बहुत कम था, not enough, so it was disappeared. The boys whispered to one another. Whispered means कान में फुसफुसाना. To one another, and one boy pushed Oliver a little. One boy pushed. एक बॉय ने ऑलिवर को पुश किया कि say something to the master that we should be given more soup because we are still hungry. Oliver, making a brave effort, took some effort and stood up. He stood up to say that they will be given more soup. Walked up to the master. He has gone to master with his bowl and spoon in his hand and said tremblingly, "Please, sir, I want some more." So he said, I want some more. So let us moving forward towards question answer. Why did the why did Oliver live in orphanage? Because Oliver was homeless boy. Those students who those children who are homeless, they live in orphanage. So Oliver was a homeless boy. He live in orphanage. Who was Mr. Bumble? Mr. Bumble was owner of the orphanage. What meals were the boys given? The boys were given uh, a bowl of watery soup 3 times a day. What did Oliver say to Mr. Bumble? Oliver said to Mr. Bumble that please give me some more soup. The boys were given 3 meals a day. Then why were they always hungry? Though they were given 3 meals, but they work hard, and though that soup was not very enough. So because the soup they were given was never enough, because they worked very hard all day long, because the older boy drank up their soup. So option first is correct. Moving forward to the question number 6, find the words from the passage that mean the same as very hungry. Very hungry means starving. Very hungry means starving. To vanish, disappear. गुम हो जाना. To vanish means disappear. Question number 7, all the boys assemble in the cold stone hall. Here the assemble means worked together. Question number 8, you have to make a word with assemble by putting y here. Assembly means जो आप प्रेयर करते हो डेली, अभी तो नहीं कर रहे हो आजकल, बट पहले करते थे. गिव अ सूटेबल टाइटल टू द पैसेज. सो एनी टाइटल यू कैन गिव. Title means name. Give a name to this story. The orphanage boy, or any title you can give. The orphan boy, or brave boy Oliver. You can give any name to this story by your own. So students, do this passage in your notebook, and do these 9 questions, and do some more comprehension from any English book. Thank you. Have a nice day.